Okay, so yesterday we dealt with a partial fraction question already. Let's look at it further. Okay, I want you to try exercise 18.4 question 9 on your own. Right, the form is similar to yesterday's one. Looking at question 9? No? So can do Okay, then I want you to do question 12. Okay, I want you to express this as partial fractions, so it's up to you to recall. Okay, what will be the form be if we have a repeated factor, and then after that integrate it.
Just ABC.
I give you all the formula list, right? This is inside, right? 8 minutes also.
Let's go outside and then A
negative 1 need to be break down? The power.
Oh, you mean
Power negative 1.
Oh, you did the.
Break down, right?
Oh yeah, because you do that first.
Your values might not actually be exactly the same as mine, but as long as they are equivalent, it is fine. Okay, because it depends on how you apply your logarithm laws, or if you choose not to apply, that is fine as well. Yeah, if you look at a decimal, it should be equivalent in terms of a negative 0.16577 and so on. We transmitted 5 by 7. This is the value. Okay, but let's practice leaving it exact. I don't want it to be in decimal. I'll go through when you all have at least tried it. Okay, could I go through part 2? Okay, part 2, you will be integrating this partial fraction form, which we have done in part 1. Before I move on, is there any problems doing part 1? Yeah? So, Brian, you okay? Part 1 cannot. Okay, so part 2, we will need to integrate. Okay, take note that don't be careless. Okay, these are power negative 1s factors. Okay, meaning to say that they are in the denominator. Okay, only a power of 1. Right, and then after this one is a power of negative 2 or power of 2, depending on how you see it now. Okay, in the denominator is power of 2. So if it's a power of 2, okay, then you need to do your normal integration. Okay, so that means you plus 1 to the power, you get negative 1. Then after that, don't forget to divide by negative 1 as well. Okay, so that's why it is a minus over here. Okay, because I divide by negative 1, so the plus I change to minus. Okay. Then after that, I decided, okay, over here, I wanted to simplify the things inside first. Okay, it is up to your personal choice whether you want to simplify it first or not. If you choose not to do that, it is perfectly fine as well. Okay, as long as the answers are equivalent. Okay, so in this case, this 2, okay, 1 over 25, I could factor it out. Okay, when I factor that out, that means I'm looking at ln x plus 3 minus away ln x minus 2. So when two logarithms are a difference of one another, okay, that means that the logarithm will be ln x plus 3 over x minus 2. So that is where I do my logarithm loss. Okay. Then after that, I will get this one. I just bring down only. Then after that, I open up my definite integral. So I substitute in the value of 5 into the things over here. Okay. So substituting over 5 into it, you get 5 plus 3, 8, 5 minus 2, 3. Okay. Then after that, 5 minus 2 is 3, so that's why I get this. Okay, upon substitution of 5. Then after that, for substitution of 3, okay, so 3 plus 3, that is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay?
Your plus and minus, like plus 1
Oh, sorry.
Then the answer is 3 plus 4.
Okay, never mind, wait. Okay, so then after that, I will sub in 3. Okay, then after 3 minus 2, I'll get 3. Okay, 3 minus 2, I get 1. Okay, so I'm over here. Okay, then after that, right, I'm taking 1 over 25 ln 8 over 3 minus away 1 over 25 ln 6 over 1. So essentially, I'm taking 8 over 3 minus away 6 over 1. Okay, the reason why I'm skipping all these steps is because I want to squeeze my working over here. Okay, that's why I'm explaining it to you verbally, so you better catch what I said. Okay, so 8 over 3 divided by 6 over 1. So, okay. That's why I put this minus over here. Okay, ln 8 over 3 minus ln 6. So that's why divide, you will get 4 over 9 over here. Okay, then after this one, let me do a recalculation. So that will be negative 1 over 15. Then after that, plus 1 over 5. So 1 over 5 minus 1 over 15. You will get plus 2 over 15. Right? So yeah, answer still 1 over 25.
Yeah, that's starting on the equation, right? When you log something, it's 1 over a x equals to 1 over a x log a x. The formula, right? It's 1 over a x plus 1 equals to 1 over a times log a x plus b.
Or integrating this, huh?
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah, sorry. Because you 1 over a. So it is 25 times x plus 3.
I took out 1 over 25, so I just integrate 1 over x plus 3.
Oh.
I did not expand this.
I extended it, right? So you see 1 over 25, but you will log 25x plus 75.
75 over 25. Okay. Any questions? Sorry, that you want to verify so far? Are there any problems?
When they say that you can do it, right?
Uh-huh.
When to simplify also, right?
Yes.
That's fine.
I will encourage you to simplify, leave things to exact as possible. Okay, rather than keying directly into calculator. Okay? Yeah or not? Simplify, don't calculate. Okay, let's look at one last one, question 7. Let's get back to exponentials. Okay, if I want to integrate this exponential function, how should I go about doing it? How should I integrate this? E to the power of 2 over 3x plus e to the power of negative 2 over 3x. Then after that, everything in brackets square. What would you do? Huh? Combine the E, can man? Cannot, right? Because all is plus, right? So there's no logarithm laws to combine, yeah? So what should we do? Extend all, that's the only thing, right?
So you
Okay? So for extension, you'll be getting this. Okay? Then after that, what do we do next?
the middle part.
Okay, let's combine this one. So this one upon combining, so that means 2 third x minus away 2 over 3x, so actually essentially it's 2. So we'll be looking at integrating this, right? Okay, then after that, what next? What next? Just keep everything. Keep everything. So, right, copy. Like that. Divide by? This one divide by 4 over 3. Then this one divide by negative 4 over 3, right? Okay, then after that we will sub in the values. Any questions? Okay, yeah. Of the integration now. This one? Okay, one last one before we end this chapter and move into area later on. Okay, then we have 2 more chapters left for A-Maths. And then one more chapter for E-Maths. For the year. It's for your entire Sec 4 life. It's the entire secondary school life. Okay, let's look at this one. How to integrate this? Split, okay. Did we do chapter? Yup.
Did we do chapter 10?
Oh, yeah, haven't do yet.
Why did you break my hopes up?
I'm sorry.
This one you should have just said 10 chapters there.
The one for June holidays.
What the hell is
Okay,
Chpt?
so groups of plane geometry.
Is that A-Maths or E-Maths?
I can never tell it's simplified already. O level 2 like minus mark.
But there was like
I know, and reading.
Then you look at the possibilities there. We take like
Oh, sorry. Yeah, that was Oh, and what am I doing?
I guess the math has gotten to you.
No, it is the excitement of ending the year with your.
Just see us.
Okay, Jack, I've done 4 years with you.
2 years only.
4 years.
Some people
Some of them are with this batch, right?
Yeah. 4 years.
Ellie, you don't seem very happy.
I am. No, I am. It's just when you get upset that I won't get to see you anymore afterwards.
Okay.
And then we will have to again for another year.
Maybe you are so plastic.